Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the 5 best mechanical keyboards in 2020. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on quality, performance, price and more. If you're looking for a mechanical keyboards that provides ease of use and top performance, then you're on the right place. To find out more information about these mechanical keyboards, you can check out the description below. Let's get started. At number 1 we have the Tecware Phantom 87 key mechanical keyboard. The Tecware Phantom 87 RGB is a compact TKL-sized mechanical gaming keyboard that is suited for all gamers and general users alike. With long-lasting, programmable backlit keys, and a floating keys design which allows easier maintenance. The compact design of the Tecware Phantom 87 RGB takes up minimum table space for a neater and cleaner workstation. Customized mechanical switches provides precise gaming and comfortable typing experiences. Outemu switches are also the closest clones of the Cherry MX switches. Removable switches for quick and easy maintenance to reduce downtime in case of malfunction. With full N-key rollover and 1000 Hz pooling rate, Tecware keyboards allow faster and smoother gaming experience. The depression of each key on the keyboard is detected individually, meaning all keys will be registered, no matter how many you simultaneously hold down. Our ultra-durable nylon-braided, gold-plated USB cable provides a no-fuss experience. This design allows dust and dirt to be easily removed with a brush or vacuum cleaner, which quickens the cleaning process. At number 2 we have the SteelSeries Apex M750 RGB mechanical gaming keyboard. The SteelSeries Apex M750 is the ultimate esports keyboard, featuring ultra-fast QX2 mechanical switches and an extraordinarily durable and sleek aerospace aluminum core. Dynamic Prism RGB lighting delivers millions of customizable colors and lighting effects, while Prism Sync allows you to sync your personalized effects between all your Prism-enabled gear. Plus, Game Sense lighting delivers reactive illumination based on in-game events like low ammo, health, kills, money and cooldown timers. SteelSeries engine software gives you the power to completely customize your keys, macros and profiles for advanced gameplay. Presets lighting effects are stored onboard for on-the-go use. At number 3 we have the HappyHacking Keyboard Professional 2. The HHKB was designed by programmers for programmers, to ensure speed, accuracy, and reliability. The HHKB is a specialized premium mechanical keyboard designed with high-end users in mind. Its attractive, space-saving, and minimalist style creates a unique user experience, while the silky smooth key press, and the intelligently designed layout ensures speed, efficiency and comfort. The HHKB features best-in-class topper electrostatic capacitive key switches that provide an unrivaled keying experience. This keyboard is perfect for Unix and Linux programmers. Fujitsu Computer Products of America (FCPA) is the sole authorized seller in the United States. Keyboards purchased through FCPA include a 2-year advanced exchange warranty, US-based customer support and US certifications. Please note that FCPA's 2-year advanced exchange warranty is valid for products shipped to US addresses only. At number 4 we have the Corsair K95 RGB Platinum Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. Aircraft-grade anodized brushed aluminum frame, built to withstand a lifetime of gaming. Lightweight and rugged durability, necessary for a keyboard that's going to see a lot of action. 8 MB profile storage with hardware macro and lighting playback, allow access up to 3 stored profiles on the go, independent of external software. Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 7, or Windows Vista. Dynamic multicolor per key backlighting with light edge, adjust each key's color and illumination level, in addition to 19 zones on the top edge light bar for sophisticated and dramatic animations. 100% Cherry MX Speed RGB mechanical key switches, unleash blistering speed with the 1.2mm actuation, and durability of gold contact. Cherry MX mechanical key switches. 0.6 Programmable G-keys for in-game macros, assign single keystrokes or complex multi-key combos, to any of the 6 dedicated macro keys. Full key NKRO with 100% anti-ghosting, HID keyboard repour, so you can be confident in its powerful design. At number 5 we have the DOS Keyboard 5Q Soft Tactile RGB Smart Mechanical Keyboard. The DOS Keyboard 5Q is the ultimate tool that keeps programmers focused on creating software and operating at the highest level of concentration. No more unwanted interruptions. Faster, more accurate typing, much brighter RGB lighting and unsurpassed 100 million key presses. Type at the speed of thought. Durable aluminum top panel. Double-shot keycaps for maximum contrast lettering with zero fading. Extra long braided cable. Detects key presses in 0.4 milliseconds and reports it to the computer within 1 millisecond. Enhanced brightness and modern switch design, the 5Q delivers the super bright and intense RGB color settings. 3 rectangular media keys plus a unique volume knob designed for the way you play. Customize all 12 function keys to quickly and accurately execute complex maneuvers. With dedicated media controls, you can play, pause and mute music and videos instantly right from the keyboard. Silicone-based detachable wrist rest that magnetically attaches and helps typists rest their wrist comfortably. German engineering stands for precision in all that we do, first-class electronics and top-quality materials.